Hello dear traders and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar first. So basically what I found on this currency pair is that market is building higher lows in the last couple of days. We can see here also in a 2-hour and a 4-hour time frame that the market is really holding well, and that there is still lots of potential for the rally for the next important pivotal levels. So we can see also this morning that market is taking this very important 1.1920 mark, and market is trading above. So basically it's on the breakout. So at least I expect the retest of 1.2. I will say 1.2 mark or 1.2025, and then if there is a bigger upside move and stronger momentum, then I can also see potential test of 1.2160 or even 1.2270 mark. So watch for buying opportunities on this market. If we speak about the gold market, we had divergences on the 4-hour time frame, but to be honest, the way how the market sold off, this is not. It was a very choppy downside move, and basically market sold off overnight, got exhausted at this area here, and then started to rally into the previous day range. We're almost near the previous day low. From my perspective, if the market can eventually go above 1772 and then start to hold above, then it will open the door for higher prices and potential for the upside continuation, and it's potentially to the retest at least of 1785, which is a previous day high. So if the market could just keep going, take some recent swing lows and then start to build higher lows, that will be a good sign for the further upside movement. So some more confirmation, but it's acting very well, and the way how the market sold off, it's really there is no significant momentum or volume, and it's still in a strong upside cycle, and we still have a potential to test 1,800 or 805 mark. So watch for buying opportunities on this one. Speaking of the crude oil, this market basically got very exhausted overnight, traded downside for a couple of hours and then got very exhausted and started rally. Very important area from yesterday, I will say also 85 mark, but we also have this 85.40. Overall, it's still a big trade range environment, and market it's basically just a ranging market. Went to the extreme low, so potentially to rotation back to 87.26 might be in the play. And Bitcoin versus US dollar, this market is getting very tight, and we might see some downside continuation, but market will need to show some strong momentum. So far intraday, there is nothing spectacular here. Some major intraday pivots at 16,730 mark, and we have the lows at, I will say, 16,380. So we start with the breakdown. Daily, we have a very tight range here, so the potential downside breakdown can lead into the 15,600 mark, or eventually even lower towards the lower pivots from the left. And we can see basically, if we go to the weekly, that the next important area on this, I will say the next important area is around 12,500 mark in case of this daily breakdown. So there is still lots of potential for the downside. That'll be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you tomorrow morning.